Episode 7. How to make a simple calculator.
Hey guys, in this episode, I will be teaching you how to make a simple calculator. As we have learned back in the previous episode, we can take user input. So to do that, I have created this simple code. If you want, you can pause the screen and copy it down. Great. Now, let me explain what is going on here. There are two variables, number 1 and number 2. They are both taking input in the first number and in the second number. They are converted to a float so that we can add these here. But if I remove this string thing, which I will explain in just a second, I put 5, I put 6 and error. This is because we cannot put a result which is a floating number with a string. So we have to put it as a string. Similarly, these floats are also quite important. If I erase them, you can see it causes us a problem. I enter 5, I enter 6, and it says 56, which is not correct, as 5 plus 6 is definitely not 56. This happens because when we enter a number or any input into the input function, it automatically saves it as a string. But when we add together strings, as we have seen in episode 4, they just get put together side by side. They do not get actually added. They get put together side by side. So that is what is happening here. So we need to convert this entered thing into a float. Great. Now if we run, we can put in 5, we can put in 6, enter, we get the result 11. Because we have put float here instead of integer, float can handle both integers and floating numbers. So if I run this again, I can put in 3.14 and 9.68 here, and it adds them together like a champ. It's not important that we have to just do plus. We can put in subtraction. So 7 minus 5 equals 2. We can put in multiplication like this. So 5 times 8, 40. We can even put in some division with this sign. 6 and 9, we get 0.666 repeating. As you can see, we have made a small calculator. We will be making a few more versions of this, preferably 4 or 3 versions in the future episodes with more concept that we will learn. I will see you in the next episode where we make a, ne- a next version of the Mid Labs game we made back in episode 4. Till then, see you.
Thanks for watching.